Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to show you how you can take screenshot in iPhone. So for that you simply just have to press your power button and volume up button together. So let's do it. Press your power button and volume up button together like this. So yeah, this is how you can take screenshot. Let's do it together again. Press your power button and volume up button together. So yeah, this is easy, right? So yeah, this is how you can take screenshot in iPhone. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.